I seen Seaside over many years, and I've seen your arm. That's it. That's all I need to see.
You're as bad as fucking.
You must have quit last night after when me did.
Sorry, sorry, what was it?
You're as bad as fucking.
You must have quit last night after when me did.
No, do it again.
You must have quit last night after when me did.
Do it again.
You and me did.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. I can't understand what they said. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
You must have quit last night after when me did.
You're as bad as fucking Kev. You're as bad as Kev Murphy.
You're gonna come in, Tricky.
Listening.
No, I can't. What?
You're gonna come in, Tricky.
Listening.
No, I can't understand. Do it again.
Listening.
No, do it again.
Listening.
No, I can't understand. Do it again. No, do it again. No, I can't understand. Do it again. No, do it again. One more. No.
Listening to loose women here.
It's not the fact that you're talking about her. You're off with me, dummy. He's talking to a 16-year-old about it. Is good.
Hey?
You're off with me, dummy. He's talking to a 16-year-old about it. Is good. He's talking to a 16-year-old about it. Is good. About it. Is good. About it. Is good. Is good.
Hey?
Is good. Is good.
No, do it again.
He's talking to a 16-year-old about it. Is good. His girlfriend.
How come it's only our
Sorry.
How come it's only our
Do it again.
How come it's only our
Do it again. Do it again.
Do
Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. Do it again. I don't know what she's saying. She doesn't know. I don't know.
How come it's only our
What the fuck are you doing? What was that about?
Trying to get away from that. I was made a mistake.
So he has made up some excuse what he was waiting. He was waiting on a woman to leave so he could play a different machine. Nah, mate, doesn't make sense. You're waiting on a woman to leave so you can play a different machine? Nah, kid. You're waiting to snipe, fuck's sake. And you...
What?
You're waiting to snipe, fuck's sake. And you...
No, I can't. Do it again.
And you...
Do it again.
And you...
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What? No, I can't. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
You're waiting to snipe, fuck's sake. And you... Fuck's sake! Oh my god. You're waiting to snipe.
Well, why didn't you say that?
Trying to save me hours until I go back home. But when do I go back home? Why should I go back home? But am I going to go back home? But am I going to go back?
No, I can't. Do it again.
But am I going to go back home? But am I going to go back?
No, do it again.
But am I going to go back?
Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. Oh, right. No, do it again.
But am I going to go back? Of course, I'm going to go back home. But
And I remember going to Duke's with her back in the day, sitting out, skirt like that on. Help me, unbelievable. She was now tart. It was 100% tart.
Sorry?
She was now tart. It was 100% tart.
Do it again?
It was 100% tart.
Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? But I can't.
Back in the day, sitting out, skirt like that on. Help me, unbelievable. She was now tart. It was 100% tart. 1,000,000% tart.
An idiot, he is.
Lee's the king.
No, Lee's.
What?
Lee's the king.
No, Lee's.
No, I can't. Do it again?
No, Lee's.
Do it again?
Lee's.
Do it again?
Lee's.
Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? No, I can't. What? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again? Do it again?
No, Lee's. Lee's the princess.
Well, why didn't you say that?
I think he might still be there. But again, he went a day early and then he's not showing where he is. So even if Baum was in Manchester now, sure, how's he going to catch him? Baum's saying he's not in Manchester, so let's say
No, I can't. What?
Baum's saying he's not in Manchester, so let's say
No, do it again.
let's say
No, I can't understand. Do it again. No, I can't. What? No, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. No, I can't understand. Do it again. One more.
Baum's saying he's not in Manchester, so let's say say Baum's telling the truth, he's not in Manchester. So how's he gonna catch PJ?
Then we'll see the truth. Where'd it come from? Go on. I'm going to allow you this. Show it to her. Go on.
I've already seen some anything. Anyway,
Sorry, I couldn't quite.
I've already seen some anything. Anyway,
Do it again.
I've already seen some anything. Anyway,
Do it again.
I've already seen some anything. Anyway,
Do it again.
anything. Anyway,
Do it again.
anyway,
Do it again.
anyway,
Do it again.
anyway,
Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. I don't know what she's saying. She doesn't know. I don't know.
Anyway, you slipped
She's
up,
a
Lisa.
liar.
I'll tell you better than that there, Red Star. See, just as you said that, Rick, I was just about to say her. Oh, singing and dancing. Jesus, spectator. Oh, Red Star, as I was just about to say her, see, whenever I was saying there, when he first come on, he was saying,
Sorry, do it again.
whenever I was saying there, when he first come on, he was saying,
She doesn't know. Do it again. She doesn't know. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
whenever I was saying there, when he first come on, he was saying, he didn't work or nothing.
His banter is just like grade A, funny as fuck. I'd love to have a pint with him and Lord J and fucking
1 second.
a few of them. And ducks.
Who's Nick?
Sorry, sorry, what was that?
And ducks.
Who's Nick?
No, do it again.
Who's Nick?
Do it again.
Who's Nick?
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. I can't understand what they said. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Who's Nick? I can't fucking say it.
That's going on the Pizzelles.